Besides being my surname, De Lorenzo means quality in hairdressing and hair products, means loyalty to the hairdresser, and also we're proud of our business association with the haircare industry. At De Lorenzo, our culture mimics the family business we're in, which was handed down from the fathers, Vincent and Anton, and we tried to treat people as the way we would like them to treat us.
I've been working for De Lorenzo for 8 years, but I've had an association with the family for over 30 years. I was a salon owner, and that's where it all started with De Lorenzo. The reason I love it is it's just a family-orientated place. We've got great clients, great people we work with. It doesn't matter whether you're working in production, manufacturing, everybody knows each other by name, and you can just walk past there and carry a conversation from 2 years ago, last week. People are always the same, and it's just a friendly environment all the way through.
I've been here 25 years. Very proud, but also very privileged to be working with such a company.
I love coming to work at De Lorenzo. It's a dynamic environment. We have a great family as well and team.
When we ask an Aspire salon what they feel to be a part of the Aspire program, we often get a number of responses that include that they receive unprecedented support from De Lorenzo, from their sales agent, all the way through to customer service. They have a wonderful connection personally to the brand because they do see the De Lorenzo directors at the forefront, and they feel connected to a family-operated and owned Australian-based company, and that's a great power of association for them.
We are one of the few companies that manufacture our own products, and we are very privileged and honoured to do this, but this just hasn't come about. It's come about because our R&D is very strong, and the fact that we take pride in the products that we manufacture. They're almost handcrafted products with the love and devotion that you have towards a child. That's how we feel about our products. They are unique, and our manufacturing plant is certainly unique in Australia and in the world. And we invite you to come and see it one day. You'll enjoy it.
I love working at De Lorenzo because it is Australian, and I know I'm not the only one that feels fantastic when I get to be involved in the development of a product. And I think a lot of our customers feel that way as well because they have communication with us, we ask them for feedback, we all feel like we own those products, and when we see them lined up on the shelf, we're all proud to be a part of that because it is Australian and we do have a hand in the development of the entire range.
We are very unique in the industry in that we do have our own laboratory here where we create our formulations from scratch. Having worked alongside Anton De Lorenzo, one of the founders, when we created Nova Colour, it just made me feel very proud to see it now today as being the core of our business.
The benefits of having a locally based customer service team at De Lorenzo is customer responsiveness. We know our customers, we can communicate with them, we know their language, we understand their needs, we can act quickly.
De Lorenzo means uncompromising quality. We strive to be the best and use the best available ingredients. We launched our products in 1987 with the concept to be as natural as possible. In those days, many of the finest cosmetics included animal-based ingredients. The family took an ethical stand at that point to remove these ingredients from our formulations. We did that at great expense, but we did it because we thought it was the right thing to do. It was our focus then, and it's our focus still today.
Our formulations are all plant-based at all times, and with that we do not use any direct petrochemicals. We don't use any animal-derived ingredients in our products, and that includes things like lanolin and beeswax. You can imagine that that actually makes it much harder to create a formulation because we're restricted to not using those ingredients.
We get models who volunteer to come in and we test and trial the products on their hair. So there literally is no guinea pigs. We do not test on animals and we're really, really proud of that.
De Lorenzo has a number of green initiatives which are mainly evident in our Silverwater plant where we manufacture all our products. We have solar cells on the office building to reduce our electricity usage and carbon footprint. We recycle cardboard boxes within the factory. Our bottles we use are recyclable, and as more initiatives come up, we will embrace them.
Our philosophies can never change because this is the core by which our whole product range revolves. My father and my uncle were trichologists and hairdressers, and as such, they developed a hair health philosophy that is unique to the De Lorenzo brand. It can never change. The 4 natural balances are the core to what makes us different in the marketplace, and we stand by that today and into the future. Back in 2007, we gathered as a family just before my father passed away, and we pledged as a family that we would take the concept of De Lorenzo and make it an international brand. In the last 12 months, we've been building our infrastructure to expand our business beyond the shores of Australia. Right now, we currently export to North America, UK, and parts of Asia. The future is ahead of us, and we are going to embrace it as a company.
At De Lorenzo, we're so proud to have achieved 30 years as a business. We want that to continue well into the future.